Well, friends, as you examine the case histories, it becomes clear that the amount of training required to profit from a new technology varies directly with the with the amount and diversity of new knowledge embodied in it. Technology and knowledge are new insofar as they are new to the user. Very too often, that equation is not appreciated until after the user organization has tried to make do with the insufficient training and failed. The failure results from the mistaken belief that use is synonymous with operate. To use a piece of technology profitably, an organization must do much more than operate it. That means it must also design for it, power it, load and unload it. It implies with information as well as physical material. Then it must adjust, repair, maintain and improve it. And last but not the least, adapt it to new uses. In addition, the new technology may have to be coordinated with other new or existing technologies. Each of these functions is at least as difficult technically as operating, and each calls for its own set of skills and knowledge. When purchasers of new process technology lack engineering backgrounds, they may be deceived by their experience with user-friendly equipment such as cars and office copiers. A modern luxury car, for all its new technology, is often easier to drive than earlier models. A high-speed copier performs all sorts of tricks as the touch of a few buttons. An advanced airliner is flown by a crew not larger than that of a less advanced plane of similar capacity. In each case, simplicity of operation has been attained at the price of complicating other functions. But operation is visible to the untrained eye, and the other functions take place behind the scenes. Repair and maintenance, in particular, require more, different, and higher skills than before. In human terms, the operator's job is made easier by making other jobs harder. In the case of process technology, easier often means harder. In the case of process technology, easier often means more boring, and harder means more interesting. Several deal with the steps that precede the introduction of new technology. That means actions whose success also depends on technological skills and knowledge. Before hardware or software is acquired, an organization must decide what kind in general would suit its needs, what kinds are available, and which of the available kinds should be selected. Before reaching this stage, the organization must decide how to produce the new product or service for which the process technology will be needed. And even before that, the organization must decide what new product or service it ought to produce. Such decisions should not be made only on the basis of technology, but to make them with inadequate technological skills and knowledge is to cause disaster. Product and process technologies do not always march in step. Companies in the semiconductor and computer industries, for example, have developed formidable products and then lost out because of their competitors' superior manufacturing techniques. Other companies with outstanding process techniques have fallen because they neglected to keep up with the competition in developing new products and services. Future survivors will have to keep running on both tracks. My website is up and running. Log on to www.asifjmeet.com. Have a look. Also visit my blog at asifjmeet.wordpress.com. This contains a lot of material, a lot of knowledgeable material, and most of it relevant to the topic. Have a great day.